guys, it's your girl Virgil's here today, and I'm a little bit sick right now, so bear with me. I am drinking my tea because I am very much sick. Like, my throat freaking hurts a lot, but I'm here to make videos for you guys, so let's do it. I told you guys I was gonna do a eyebrow routine because it did change a little bit. And the items that I use is my my Iconic London brow silk thing with a brush. And then I use my brow contour and pro from Benefit. Just this one because it has all the colors that I really freaking need for my brows. And I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills double brow brush and spoolie thing. This is all I use. Sometimes this is all I use just to put my brows up. That's about it. I do have to clean the little brush thing up because I always clean it like every day. I clean it when I use it. But the simple thing that I just do is with the little spoolie thing, I put my brows up like this, and once I put it up, it gives me a defined line for the bottom area, which, what is this? So what I do is I grab either the deep shade or the lighter shade, which is is this French? I don't know, but it's something clary. But I think I ran out of the lighter shade, and what I do with the dark shade is I just line it on the bottom like this. I line the shape I want, and what I do is with the same spoolie and the bottom part, I just brush it up to give it like a little fade, and then I go back with this and shade slightly like this with the same color but lightly. As you see, I don't shape the top anymore, but you see kind of the difference of what I'm trying to talk, like, let you know how to do it. And then slide it down like this, and then, you know, I go back and forth with the spoolie and the brow tint. Just go like that. And for the front area, since I like a little bit bushier, what I go is slowly go up like this, and just slowly. This literally takes me less than 5 minutes to do, and it's faster than the ones I used to do way back when I started doing my brows. And you know, the shape starts to form up. As you can see, it forms, and you see the freaking difference. And then I just keep brushing it till I get the desired like I want. Then for that, I will go either with the definer or the highlighter. I like using the definer a little bit more to define the bottom. I don't use the highlighter, or sometimes when I want it like a little bit more brighter at the bottom base of my eyes, I'll do it. But I'll literally just go under the brow to clean it up, make it a little sharper, and with a beauty blender just do what you gotta do. Like I said, I just go with the beauty blender under it where the highlighting is, you know, blend it a little bit to my desire. and it looks sharper already. Now with the iconic London, and just go. It's like a little pasty, and it's a little bit hard, so you gotta, you know, do it. And it does melt in a touch. So what I do is press this up just lightly and just keep pressing it up. Like, I love the brows to be bushier now and to be going up, and just up. And if I want to, this tip, I'll literally grab it from the color tint and just go like this. And my hand, I just warm it up so it won't be too dramatic. And then just do this. And basically that's how I do my eyebrows. I do have a cut that I had since when I was little, so that's not gonna be colored, but see the difference of how this eyebrow is. Now if I do want to do it like with no tint like this, I literally go like this. I grab the brow thing and I literally just shape it up with this thing, and I make it look like it's wet. Just shape it up. Shape it up, and I use the rose water for this side to make it look dewy, but it's either or, this side or this side that you will see me in. It's a little bit more like downside. I do like this more when I'm like no makeup and stuff, but mostly when I do my makeup looks, this is what I go towards every single time. Let me drink some of my tea because I've been drinking peppermint tea. It has been soothing my throat a lot, but shit hurts like a bitch. But yeah, this is what I actually do. Literally less than 5 minutes you can do. It's simple, it's natural. And yeah, I stopped doing the exaggerated, even though I do love my dip brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Still buy them just in case I do want to have, you know, that time to do it, because I do love doing it. But basically this is what I've been going towards for the longest, and literally it takes me less than 5 minutes to do. So if it does 5 minutes for me, you can do it too, so your preference. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit short, but your girl is sick and I've been doing other projects, a lot of projects, and I'm just horribly sick and tired. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.